Hello everyone and welcome our new friends to I See My Style. And I have the question. Have you ever visited Thailand yet? But if you have never come to Thailand, here is the best video for you that show you where is the most amazing view and where is the location that you can stay in Pattaya City. Where is the Pattaya City? Pattaya City is on Thailand Eastern Gulf and it's very nice easy transportation, only 1.5 hours from Bangkok to Pattaya City. So you can transport by your private car and your taxi. You're gonna love this video. And this is my breakfast for today, an egg benedict. The side is bacon, maple cake and croissant. It looks very nice. Cheddar cheese, mixed fruit and also mixed salad. So that's all my breakfast for today.
Hi guys, it's here that the time that you're waiting for. You would like to stay at a nice hotel with the ocean view when you come to Pattaya. I recommend here. There's nice pool here, but this one is only like the pool for chilling, do some sunbath, and here is a kid pool. So it's very nice here, and next to the pool is the dining. So the dining is finished about 10:30. 10:30 they stop serving the food, and then you can just chill sitting until 11. And they are also had the main pool, main swimming pool, and you can see any stunning ocean view. So how it look like? Smash that like button, ring the bell and subscribe for my channel, and let's check the main pool everyone. It would be nice to show you is the pool time for today. This is very nice, right? And that also has the jacuzzi here. And for today, have a good chance to review the nice room just like this. This is that where I'm staying now is the Holiday Inn Hotel, and this room is the King Premium Suite room. You know how is the premium look like, because now is the premium suite room is the top floor of the hotel 26, and also had a 3 balcony, big balconies. 3 parts of the room is 3 room in 1. Now I'm just sitting here is a living room, and next to me is the dining, and also had a king bedroom is the master bedroom in the other part. And also you can see right from the north of Pattaya to the south of Pattaya, guys. It's very nice and perfect view here. And also right there is also has the corner. The room is the balcony corner, because here is the corner suite too. So let's check the views and the room, guys. So when you come into the room, you will see the big fridge here, and this the separate toilet from the main of the bathroom. So there are 2 toilets here. It's very nice. If you have some guests is coming to visit you, so you can just like no need to waiting people. This is nice. Also this mini bar for the coffee, and provide with some water and washing machine, 1 sink, so you can clean up your stuffs when you finish food by yourself. And this is very nice here. The first part of the room is the dining room. When you just come in, you will see the dining, and this is nice. Also have the decorate by modern design. And over there is the living room, but I'm gonna show you the first view from the corner balcony. It's here. Right here is the corner balcony from the King Premium Suite. So it's very nice, right? Just get into the room. And this is a perfect view. See the nice living room here. It's big sofa. How can I stay here? It's only one. You can make like partying with your friend here, and the TV big screen, and also had the desk here for working. And nice, that lovely. I can like do some video editing here. See? This is the view from the desk that you can working and watching the nice view just like it, and the big balcony is over there, because the room is like the size is over 120 square meter. So this is the nice view from the second balcony from the no, it's not dining, sorry. The good view from the balcony from the living room. There's some nice table here. You just chill, relaxing, and watching the nice view. How big it is of the balcony. I can like do some yoga or working out here, right here. It's perfect. I like do some yoga or working out at the balcony. Just use the bath here, and it's good time to spend time when you waking up early. I see the nice view just like this. It's heaven. It's amazing. So are you ready to watching the master bedroom? Let's see. Are you ready, guys, to see the master bedroom? And here is the nice place. You can just put your stuff on here and also unpacking and then turn around. It's the big mirror from the closet. It's very nice. I love it. I can like make a selfie for my Instagram every day if I can stay here. Oh, very nice. And connect to the closet is a nice view of the bathroom. Here, guys, you just can relaxing and enjoy your jacuzzi spa from the bathtub here and look at the view. You cannot leave anything with this view. Very nice. Just like me, you can stuck with the view and stick with me and my channel. This is all my stuff here and the mirror. Some nice lotion, conditioner and shampoo. This all for the bathroom and shower. Ready to take a look at the master bedroom now, because it's only one part of this. Very nice, right? Let's see. So far the couch, you can just take a rest and watching television on this side. You know, when you wake up and you just see the stunning view just like this, I'm going to show you now. You would be like, oh, am I still dreaming? Because it's very beautiful view. You can see sunrise and sunsets at the same place, but it's the different time, day and night. It's perfect, guys. It's perfect. Wondering? Gonna show you now. So it is from like North Pattaya, central of Pattaya, and the south of Pattaya. And it's the show the side Pattaya city, and you can take the boat from that pier to the Collab Island. Over there is Collab Island. Between then, you just take a boat about, I'm not sure, I don't remember, when there a long time ago, 30 minutes or 45 minutes to like departure from Bali High Bay to the Collab Island over there. And for this side, another angle view. See, it's really beautiful. It's nice view. There are some construction building the hotel at the moment too. They see the view from here. In my opinion, I think this balcony is bigger than the living room balcony. So look at my messy hair because it's very strong wind. For today, the hotel review, do you think about that? Do you think like it would be nice room, nice time to spend the holiday and staying in the nice place just like this, like a penthouse suite? Here is a king premium suite, and the price is, the top price is about $300, but it depends on the season or depend on the website that you will booking, and you can take a look and compare the price, which one is the best one for you. And for today, thank you for watching, and please stay safe and take care of yourself. And I really love this place, guys. Hope you can come and you have a chance to stay here. I recommend to stay here. Nice staff, good service here, and with the perfect view, amazing view from the balcony. And when you wake up, just see the view just like I show you. So if you like this kind of video, hotel review, just want me to show you a nice place, please recommend me, and I will pick up my bag too, carry my bag to do the review for you. it's not only the hotel review, street food is coming. So I hope you stay safe, take care of yourself everyone. Thank you for watching.